Welcome to Softaken. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through importing your EML or EMLX files into your Gmail account using the Softaken EML to Gmail importer. Import and upload EML and EMLX files into Gmail account. Key features of EML to Gmail: convert EML files of any size, export EML files in a healthy state, convert EML files and bulk restore selected EML files, connect with Gmail in no time. Simple to operate. Step 1. Launch the software. You can do this from the Start menu or simply by double-clicking the Softaken EML to Gmail importer icon on your desktop. The user interface is simple and intuitive, designed to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 2. Click on Add Files to browse and select individual EML or EMLX files, or choose an entire folder to import in bulk. Step 3. Before connecting your Gmail account, ensure that IMAP is enabled. Go to Gmail settings, click on the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab, and enable IMAP. Next, allow access for less secure apps by visiting this URL, www.google.com/settings/security/less secure apps. Turn the option on, then refresh the page to verify it's enabled. Now, return to the software and enter your Gmail credentials. Click on Connect to My Gmail account to establish the connection. Step 4. Select the Gmail folder where you'd like to import the emails or create a new folder directly from the application. Step 5. Click on Process to start the transfer. The software will begin uploading your selected emails into the chosen Gmail folder. And that's it. Your EML files are now safely imported into your Gmail account, quickly and efficiently. Download the Softaken EML to Gmail importer today and simplify your email migration process. Visit www.softaken.com. Thanks for watching.